Today we are going to study about a universal set and complement of a set. Let's see what is a universal of set. Now, a bigger set which will accommodate all the given sets under consideration, it's called a universal set. Now, it means say certain sets are given to us. Now, we want such a big, all these sets are under consideration. We are considering all these sets at a time. And if we want a bigger set which can accommodate all these elements of these given sets under consideration, can be called a universal set. And universal set is generally denoted by the symbol, that alphabet U for universal. So if you observe these elements in set A, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is given, this is first 5 natural numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are first even numbers, first 5 even numbers. C is a set of first 5 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. D is a set of 1, 4, 9. These are the perfect 3 squares. And then E is a set of say 2, 3, 5, 7. This we can say these are the first 4 prime numbers. This sets or such sets, if you want a bigger set which can accommodate all the elements of the sets, can be, you can say the lowest number is 1 and the highest number is 10. So it can be universal set for all these sets can be X. It's such that X is a natural number and X is less than or equal to 10. So this universal set can be written by using rule method. Or if you want to write with the same set with the listing method, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, comma, dot, 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 3 dots, and the last digit is 10. So, meaning is same, the first 10 natural numbers can be the set which can accommodate all these sets under consideration. Such set can be called as a universal set for all these given sets under consideration. Now, let's see what is the complement of a set. For this, let's see here, if A is a subset of U, whatever universal set given, A is any set which is subset of U, then a set of all elements of U, all the elements of U which are not in set A is called complement of A. Okay, so we want such elements which are part of the elements of the U but not in the set A. Now this complement of set A is denoted as symbol A and we write a dash over it, or A and then C over it. So we superscript that dash or C. So if we want to define this complement of set using rule method, we can say that A dash is a set of all X such that X is an element of U but X is not an element of set A. Is called complement of set. Let's take example with reference to this given sets and this universal set. If universal set starts with 1, 2, 3 all natural numbers up to 10 and this is A 1 to 5, what will be A complement with reference to all these sets? So if we have out of 1 to 10 natural numbers, if we have taken first 5, we have to take the remaining one, that is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is called complement of set A. What is set B? It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now to get complement of B, we will take elements of universal set which are not in set B. So we will skip these numbers and we will take the remaining numbers. So the remaining numbers we can see that 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the remaining numbers from B. So these are the elements of set U but not set B. Therefore, this is called B complement. For C complement, what we will require? If C set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the remaining numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So as per the given sets, we get our complement of that set. For set D, what will be its complement? If set D contains only 3 elements 1, 4, 9, the remaining 7 elements from these numbers will be in complement of D. So 1 is taken, don't take 1, 2, 3, 4 we have taken here. So the next is 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we will not take 9. It is part of the D and the remaining is 10. So these 7 elements will come in set D complement. And for E, the last one, if these 4 digits are here in set D, E, its complement will consider the remaining 6 numbers. 1, we have 2, 3, so skip that. 4, we have 5 here, skip that. 6, we have 7 here. 8, 9 and 10. So these are the complements of these sets with respect to the universal set U here in this example. Thank you.